The Hotwav Hyper 7 Pro and the Motorola Edge 50 represent two distinct approaches to smartphone design. The Hyper 7 Pro is a rugged powerhouse built for outdoor enthusiasts and those who demand durability, while the Edge 50 prioritizes sleek aesthetics and advanced features. Let's dive into a spec-by-spec comparison to determine which device is equipped with the best features. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Overall, the Hotwav Hyper 7 Pro has a clear advantage in terms of battery life and durability. It also boasts a massive 200MP main camera sensor and expandable storage and RAM. However, the Motorola Edge 50 has a better display, a more versatile camera system with a telephoto lens, and it's significantly lighter. But I'd like to hear your thoughts, guys. Which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.